If you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here from a pro makeup artist, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can get this easy winter makeup look in under 5 minutes. If you want to know how, then please keep on watching. Let me start off with the moisturizer. While you're applying the moisturizer, make sure that you're using a hydrating one in the winters because it is a very dry weather. So avoid the gel moisturizers and go for more hydrating ones. You need to make sure that your skin is very well hydrated because in winters it does tend to get dry no matter which skin type you are. So moisturize your skin well before applying any other thing. Next, I'm going to be applying the sunscreen. Both of the products that I used were from Earth Rhythm. They are my absolute essentials. They are bought. I have not got them in PR or anything. And I have repurchased them multiple times and I love them. Now, many people think that in winters you don't need to apply sunscreen. That is wrong. Sun is still there even if you can't see it. And the rays are still coming to you even if you can't see it. So you need to make sure that you are applying sunscreen even in the winters. And minimum you should apply a sunscreen of SPF 50. And this sunscreen I like because see, you can see it is getting blended very easily. It is very hydrating. I have not used a sunscreen like this one yet, so I really like it. And I will be keep on repurchasing it. Now that my skin is well moisturized, I will be applying some concealer. I have applied concealer only in the areas I needed, not all over the face, and I'm going to blend it out nicely. I'm not going to be using a lot because I don't want it to look a lot. Okay, I just want to give bare minimum coverage and cover up any discoloration that I may have. So I'm only applying it in the areas I need. For this purpose, you need to use a concealer which is high coverage. Now that my concealer is all set, I'm going to be applying this compact by Seri. This is a new compact I bought to try out, and so far I really like it. It is very close to my skin tone. It does not make my makeup look cakey. It blends nicely and has a decent amount of pigment. Make sure that you don't apply a lot of powder, just on the areas that you really need it, like your T-zone. T-zone is this and this, so it is called a T-zone. So only apply on the areas you absolutely need it, not all over your face. Okay. Once that is applied, I am going to be using this Nykaa's lip palette as my blush. So I am going to be taking this shade right here. It's my absolute favorite. And just using my fingers, I'm going to be applying it on my cheeks. And just using my fingers, I'm going to be applying it on my cheeks. I don't need a separate brush for this. I can just, apply it using my fingers. Tap it in so that it looks well. Now after applying the blush, I'm going to be applying this stick eyeshadow on my eyes. You don't need to apply a lot. Just a little bit to give the eyes a little something back, a color back. I really love this shade. It looks really nice on the eyes. It's a very neutral shade. It does not catch a lot of attention. With winter makeup tutorial, you need to make sure that you're applying a good coat of mascara. The one I'm going to be using is by CoverGirl. I don't like a lot of mascara. I like it a little bit, just enough. Okay, so yeah. And this is also not a very dramatic one either. It will just coat your lashes and give them a little bit of fluff. Next, I'm going to be applying a highlighter. Okay, so I've applied it on this cheek. I'm going to apply it right here. The glowy, the better. So, next, I'm just filling in my eyebrows lightly with some eyeshadow so that they look nice. And to give a natural look, I'm using eyeshadow powder. If you want, again, you can use your eyebrow pencil also, or a gel also, or a pomade also, whichever you prefer on a daily basis. And lastly, I'm gonna finish off this look by applying a lipstick from the René Stack. I really love the pink shade. It's like the perfect winter pink shade. Lastly, to top it all off, I'm going to be applying some lip gloss. Okay. And now to set the entire look in place, I'm going to be using some setting spray. So this is the final look right here. I hope you guys like it, and it is very quick and easy to do. You can reduce or increase the number of steps as per your liking. If you are in a lot of hurry, you can skip the concealer and the compact. You can just go with the blush and highlighter and the lipstick. That is also pretty cool, and I am absolutely loving it. If you like this look, then make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more tutorials from me. I do makeup on my clients and models and show it to you as well if you want to see those videos, and also share a lot of makeup knowledge that I have learned in my journey. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks. So yeah, till next time, bye bye.